Hi there. The purpose of this video is to show you how to create a email signature. Okay, so I'm in my web Outlook and I want to come up here to my gear, the settings, and go down here to the bottom to view all Outlook settings. All right, then in this middle column, there's three columns here. I want the compose and reply option. And here I can create a signature. I have one already. This one's called full. I can create another one. There's my full one. I'm going to create a new one here. So I'm going to call this professional. And I'm going to make a professional signature here. Okay, I'm supposed to do my name, my job title, adjunct faculty, company, business phone, email. I'm going to drop in my email right there, and then my website. So I'm going to do HTTP. I'm going to do www.lvucollege.edu. Okay. I'm going to do some formatting here because this is kind of bland. I want my name to be probably the biggest thing. Here's my font size, so I'm going to make the font size for this other stuff kind of smaller. I'm going to make my name bigger, and I'm going to give my name some color right here. I kind of like purple, so I'm going to go with purple. And I'm going to give I'm going to italicize. Now we can also change the font, so I might change the font for mine. That's kind of cool. It looks sort of handwritten. Then I should make it bigger. Okay. And then I'm going to change the font color. I'm going to make it the Bellevue College, the color, generally about the color of Bellevue College's fonts. So which is going to be kind of this dark blue here. And I think that looks pretty good. Okay. Now I need to assign a default signature. So here is where I do that, select default signatures. So right now, when I create a new message, it uses my existing signature. If I want to change that, well, I need to save this one first. I would save it. There we go. And now I can change it to professional if I want, right? So anytime I create a new message, it will automatically put this signature in there. I can also assign a different signature for replies and forwards, and I might want to do that. I would create a new signature, maybe call this one short, and just have my name. Right? And then maybe actually here, let's save that and go back here. I'm going to copy this and come back here and just paste it right there. Yeah, then I can save that. And I think hopefully it's saved. There's my full. There's my short. Yep, saved. Okay. And I can make that one the default for my just replies, right? So I don't have to actually sign my name. It drops it in there automatically. Okay, that should be enough when I create a new, so I'm going to save all this, close this out. When I create a new message, you'll see that I get my professional signature automatically. If I reply to a message, click reply, there is my short signature. And you can also change the signatures on the fly as well. So I can come up here, I can say, okay, I want my full signature. I got all of them here I can choose from. Okay. So I hope this video has helped you understand how to create a signature and how to use signatures. Thanks.